Hi, in this short video I will introduce to you the one-day workshop I will be giving in Milan on March the 31st about how to integrate emotion-focused therapy for couples to your ACT and especially your ACT matrix practice to really empower and supercharge your work with couples. So I will show you how an attachment story, an attachment rationale can be especially powerful to get clients to buy in to the work, and how it can be used as a way to help them notice when they get into these what we call stuck loops for two or unworkable dances. Notice them, and we will also see how using ACT and the matrix can help couples gain more psychological flexibility. I become more able to behave like the partners they want to be, regardless of what shows up for them. And we'll see also how adaptations of the hooks exercise, looking at deeper vulnerabilities, attachment-based vulnerabilities, can actually very quickly get clients to connect and reconnect. And of course, we know from research that a couple that works is not a couple with no conflict, far from it, but it's a couple in which both partners are able to reconnect in such a way that feels secure to the other partner. So we will see how using ACT, the matrix, and present moment processes with an attachment focus can actually help us help our clients reconnect in front of us during our sessions and make for extremely effective couples work. So I'm really excited because this is the stuff that has been most important to my heart lately, integrating this into my couples work, and I've really seen some really good results, and I will share some of those clinical experiences with you. So I hope to see you at this workshop on March the 31st, and arrivederci.